how to transfer money between PNC accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to move money between your PNC account fast and easy, well, here is how to do it right from your PNC mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on transfer tab at the bottom or the top of the screen depending on your app version, and there you just have to select between my PNC accounts, and this includes checking, savings, credit card, loans and eligible investment accounts. Now here you just have to choose from account and the to account and enter the transfer amount and then select continue. And after that you just have to review and confirm the details, and after that you can just tap submit to complete the transfer. And you can also set up recurring transfer in the same transfer section, and this will help you to automate saving into your PNC savings or paying off credit balances. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your PNC accounts, whether it's one time or recurring. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.